Okay, here we are at the Center State Bank in Crescent City, Florida. Cleaning it all up. We've already cleaned up the bank. It was covered in blind mosquitoes and all over. We do this on a regular basis. Got the machine and the truck all set up. I'll do another video when we get all these sidewalks cleaned up. But the place was stays messed up with spiders and being so close to the Crescent Lake Crescent, that it gets like that. Robert cleaning it all up. See how the underneath this gets the spiders and mosquitoes